Guys, we are back. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. And of course, as always, it is so great to see you, my friend. Now, guys, again, we are not in my studio. We are outdoors, and I have some really cool, some absolutely kick-ass news to share with you guys. Now, I'm guessing 2020 may have flipped your photography world upside down, and even probably just derailed your travel plans. I know myself, there's 4 trips this year alone that I had to just cancel. Heading back over to Norway to shoot the Northern Lights a couple months ago, Banff last month to shoot Moraine Lake up there, Iceland, and of course, one of my new favorite places to go to, Istanbul, Turkey. And I know many of you are in the exact same boat, and we've all kind of compressed our lives into a somewhat stay-at-home bubble. And of course now things are a little loosened up and so forth, but we have a whole new video series coming around the corner. You might have noticed in the last couple of weeks I've not put out as many videos as we normally do, and that's because there's been a lot of planning, there's been a lot of research, there's been a lot of everything putting together for this new series that is going to be called Photography Trek. Now, you may be thinking, okay, well, Alex, photography trek, okay, well, I can assure you there's a lot more to this than just simply photography. So once a month, I'm going to head out to a new location. Now, I'm in Southern California, so that means I'll be going all over California. I'll be going into Nevada, Arizona, Utah, Colorado. And part of this series is, obviously, we're going to be doing the photography. We're going to be sharing with you, I'm going to be sharing with you, rather, my planning, how I go out and try to find my best shots that I can go after. But also on top of that, this is where things are going to get really fun. Okay, we're going to be going over some overlanding tips and techniques. We're going to be going over some survival techniques. There will be even some cooking, out in the bush cooking involved in it. And also, if you haven't noticed, there's a big pig behind me. So we're going to be doing some off-road as well, some 4-wheel drive action as well. Yes, the Volvo went bye-bye, and you know, it was an all-wheel drive, but it wasn't. Guys, I needed something with a little bit more 4-wheel drive oomph, and nothing says that like a Jeep. And well, when these Gladiators came out, I really loved the lines of these things, and it kind of looks like a Lego car, but I like it. And so I threw some big tires onto this thing, and I'll share with you a little bit more details in a minute about this thing. But at any rate, going back over to this whole new series that's going to be kicking off, and in a couple weeks, there's a whole new addition to this thing that will be added that will tie in all of this overlanding, all this camping, all this getting out there, getting outside of our bubble. Let's face it, COVID right now, it's not going to disappear overnight. So why not get out into the wilderness where you can actually practice social distance easily without interfering with your ability to go out there and take photos. And that's what this whole new series is going to be about. It's going to be about getting outside of our urban bubbles and into the wilderness where we can actually kick up our shoes if we wanted to and just relax and take the photos that we want to. So going back over to this is the new addition to my garage, you can say. So it's a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Just had some wheels put onto it with Nitto trail grapplers with black Rhino Armory wheels. And yeah, you can tell the wheels to me, as many of you know, I spent 8 years in the service, so these kind of remind me of that military look, and for me it works, but they're very functional as well. And the reason why with a Jeep is, hey, these things there's a gazillion bolt-on parts that you can do. They're very easily to modify, and put aside Land Rover and a few others out there, nothing says 4-wheel drive like a Jeep. And so these things are very capable of getting out to all those locations that you want to. And this thing has a tow capacity of 7,500 pounds, which is yay. So guys, you're gonna have to stay tuned, because I promise you this is a whole new series that you're not going to want to miss. And we're gonna start kicking off the actual filming of this coming up in the next couple of weeks. And I'm not sure, it may be Joshua Tree, it might be Alabama Hills. I'm not sure which is the first location I'm going to be going to, but I promise you it's gonna be a lot of fun and you're not gonna want to miss it. Oh, and there of course will always be some giveaways going on. Each of these particular outings will have a dedicated giveaway that we're going to do just for that outing itself. So even more reason for you to want to tune in, because who doesn't like that 4-letter word, that free swag? So, all right, my friends, I came out here because I wanted to at least give you an introduction towards what's coming around the corner. And that's right, tomorrow we have the Canon announcement. I'm excited about that. Are you? R5, R6, some other new lenses, some teleconverters? Heck yeah. All right, thank you very much, Canon. I'll take one of each. Well, I don't know about that, but I at least will take the R5 and a 1.4 teleconverter. All right, guys, so that's it for me today here. This is a short one to kind of give you a sneak peek of what I've been working on, what's coming around the corner. I can't wait to see you guys. Let me know in the comments below where you think I should go. Where are some locations that you think would make some great photos? So with that said, I hope to inspire you, to help educate, and also show you the tools and resources to get out where you can create your best shot. All right, guys, that's all I have here for you today. If you don't mind, do all that YouTube stuff, hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you are currently not subscribed to the channel. It really does help. And besides, as I keep saying, we would love to have you part of the community. And while you're at it, be certain to hit that bell, because each time we come out with a new video, especially this new series that I was just teasing you about, you're gonna get notified as that comes out, so you're not gonna miss a beat, because as I told you, there's gonna be giveaways associated with each one of these, so you really want to be able to, and these are going to be a little bit more time sensitive than our normal monthly giveaways, so you'll definitely want to stay tuned or tune into these as quick as possible. All right, my friend, I'm going to jump on out of here, and you get out there, stay healthy, stay safe, and create your best shot.